I think the biggest advantage to index investing that people don't talk about is the regenerative qualities that index investing has. I'll give you an example. When I got into the industry, there were giants like ExxonMobil and General Electric, IBM, which were some of the biggest companies in the world. And then let's say around 2000, it became WorldCom and Lucent and AOL. You fast forward to today and it's Facebook, it's Amazon, it's Google, it's Microsoft, Apple. So it's a different group of stocks. So if you were in individual stocks and you thought, hey, I've got the biggest names, I've got the best companies, that doesn't mean you did so well. But if you're in an index, it regenerates itself and has a way of replacing the bad with better. And if not better, at least with bigger. That is, I think, the key thing that index investing does for investors. It regenerates itself. It's a self-healing mechanism as opposed to individual stocks, which often disappear. Or if they don't disappear altogether, they fall out of investors' good graces.